In SimplePractice, you can use templates to save time on documentation and ensure consistency in record keeping across your practice. To view the templates that SimplePractice offers, in the Settings menu, select Documentation, and then Template Library. The Template Library page shows the templates that have been added or customized in your account. Below, you can also customize the client document format settings, like including your practice logo or text in the footer. To view the full library of templates, click View Pre-Built Templates. Here you can access a wide range of templates, both client questionnaires like intake forms and scored measures, to templates for your documentation, for example, progress notes, assessments, and treatment plans. Click Preview to quickly get an idea of what is included in the template, and click Add to add it to your account and start using it. Back on the main template library page, scroll down to view the templates that have already been added to your account. To edit one of these templates, click the name and this opens the template editor. You can also start your own template from scratch by clicking Create New Template. Click the link at the end of this video to learn more about how to use this template editor and what each form element looks like.